Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best metallic acrylic paints are probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching mediums available for artists and crafters alike, offering a stunning shimmer and depth that can transform ordinary projects into extraordinary works of art, making them a popular choice for everything from detailed illustrations and abstract paintings to decorative finishes on furniture and home decor. Number 5. ARTEZA Metallic Acrylic Paint Set, 36 colors. Unleash your creativity with 36 unique pearl and metallic shades. Add shimmer, highlights, and reflective accents to bring your artwork to life. Experience a rich, smooth texture that glides effortlessly with your brushes and tools. Build texture, blend colors, and create stunning metallic effects with ease. Our 0.74-ounce tubes allow for precise application, ensuring no wasted product. Secure caps keep your paints fresh for your next creative session. These paints are perfect for a wide range of surfaces, including canvas, wood, glass, and more. Elevate your mixed media projects with vibrant metallic hues. Achieve beautiful dimension and luminous effects by layering these paints. Create pearl highlights, shimmering glazes, and eye-catching reflective details. What we like? If you're looking for a vast array of colors to add shimmer and depth to your projects, this set is a fantastic choice. The smooth consistency makes blending a breeze, and the easy squeeze tubes ensure you use just the right amount of paint. It's ideal for artists who love to experiment with layered metallic effects and intricate details on various surfaces. What people say. The metallic acrylic paint has a beautiful shimmer and a smooth consistency, making it easy to apply. It dries to a durable, scratch-resistant finish that holds up well over time. The colors are vibrant and opaque, providing excellent coverage with just one coat. Number 4. ARTISTRO 24 Metallic Acrylic Paint Markers. Unleash your creativity with our versatile paint markers. Featuring both a brush tip and a fine tip, they're perfect for everything from calligraphy to detailed coloring. Experience premium quality with our water-based acrylic paint. The ink dries opaque in a single layer, ensuring vibrant and durable results on any project. These markers are your go-to for multi-surface creativity. Use them on paper, wood, rock, glass, canvas, and so much more. Our paint markers are pre-activated and ready to go right out of the box. They are designed with safety in mind, making them perfect for artists of all ages. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This beautiful art set makes an ideal present for any art enthusiast, beginner or pro, adult or child. Create with confidence knowing that each marker conforms to safety standards. They are non-toxic and designed for worry-free artistic expression. What we like? For those who prefer the precision and control of markers, this set offers incredible versatility with its dual tips. The opaque, quick-drying ink means you can layer colors or add details without smudging, making it perfect for intricate designs on fabric, rock, or glass. If you enjoy detailed work and need a reliable marker for various craft projects, these are a great pick. What people say. The first thing I noticed is the excellent, controlled flow of ink from the brush tip. The feel was more brush-like than most brush tips I've used, especially due to the bold coverage and thick vibrant inks. The opposite side of each pen boasts a fine tip. This provides a perfect contrast to the brush tip in that it is very precise. This fine tip articulates a very controlled line which dries almost immediately. The colors are very vibrant and have great pigmentation. They are easy to use and work well on different surfaces. Perfect for crafts and drawing. Excellent quality, beautiful colors, easy to use, and no mess. The marker tips are good if you need them, but the brush tips feel like painting with acrylic. The paint dries quickly, making it easy to layer colors. Number 3. GenCrafts Metallic Acrylic Pouring Paint. Dive into your next art project immediately. Our paints are pre-mixed, so you can open, pour, and let your creativity flow without any extra steps. Explore a vibrant assortment of 12 unique colors. They are expertly crafted for dynamic techniques, allowing you to achieve extraordinary results with every stroke. Elevate your artwork with a luxurious shimmer. Our metallic paints add a sophisticated sparkle that catches the light and enhances every piece. These all-purpose paints adapt seamlessly to numerous materials. You can transform surfaces like paper, canvas, glass, and wood into stunning masterpieces. Our paints meet rigorous standards, making them suitable for artists of all ages. Enjoy creating with confidence, knowing they are safe for everyone. What we like. If you're eager to jump straight into creating stunning fluid art without the hassle of mixing, this is the set for you. Its high-flow formula is designed for dynamic pouring techniques, producing mesmerizing cellular effects and vibrant metallic shimmers. This is perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike who want to achieve professional-looking pours with minimal effort. What people say. Had really cool cells when mixed with decor-ready pour. And block light. Works great for fluid art. They have a remarkable amount of pigment in them, enough that I was able to keep adding Floetrol up to around 4 times. The paint is the right consistency for pour painting. Dry time was as expected, a full day for small projects and 2 to 3 days for large ones. Number 2. ARTISTRO 16 Colors Acrylic Paint Markers. Discover a world of artistic possibilities with our set of 16 brilliant acrylic paint markers. These versatile tools are perfect for all your creative endeavors. Experience effortless control with the flexible brush tip, designed for detailed outlines, smooth shading, and coloring large areas with ease. Our pens are filled with highly pigmented, water-based ink that dries quickly. Enjoy waterproof, fade-resistant color with smooth, streak-free application every time. From rocks and glass to fabric and wood, these markers work beautifully on a variety of surfaces. Bring your artistic vision to life, indoors or out. Designed with your safety in mind, our non-toxic and odorless markers are perfect for artists of all ages. Makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. What we like. If you need a versatile tool for detailed artwork and lettering, these markers with their flexible brush tips are an excellent option. The waterproof and fade-resistant ink ensures your creations last, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects on surfaces like rocks, glass, and fabric. They are perfect for DIY enthusiasts and crafters who want vibrant, durable results. What people say. The metallic acrylic paint has a beautiful shimmer and dries to a smooth, reflective finish. This paint is highly pigmented, providing excellent coverage with just one coat. It adheres well to various surfaces like canvas, wood, and plastic, making it versatile for different art projects. Number 1. ABEIER 24 Colors Metallic Acrylic Paint Set. Unleash your creativity with 24 stunning metallic shades. This collection offers a wide range of vibrant colors, perfect for artists of all levels, from beginners to professionals. Experience superior color payoff with highly pigmented formulas that glide on smoothly. Enjoy a beautiful gloss finish that remains true and won't fade over time. These paints dry quickly and adhere exceptionally well to various surfaces. They are permanent, waterproof, and fade-proof, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use on diverse materials. Our paints are crafted from environmentally friendly materials and are certified non-toxic. They are safe for use by children, teens, and adults alike. Each set comes in a durable box for easy storage. The bottles feature a leak-proof seal and a flip-top design for controlled dispensing, minimizing waste. What we like. If you're looking for a comprehensive set of metallic acrylic paints with rich, non-fading colors, this option is a strong contender. The easy-to-control bottles and permanent, waterproof finish make them suitable for a wide range of projects on surfaces like canvas, wood, and stone. They are ideal for artists and beginners who want reliable, vibrant metallic paints for lasting artwork. What people say. The metallic acrylic paint has a rich, vibrant color that dries to a beautiful sheen. It applies smoothly and evenly, providing excellent coverage with just one coat. The paint is highly pigmented, making it ideal for creating stunning metallic effects on various surfaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.